This is Mr. Slummy with a quick video on how we're going to use Vocaroo to explain our electron experiment. So here's the experiment we're going to do in class with the aluminum pie plate, the styrofoam cup to use as a handle, and the styrofoam plate. And we have this script that we're going to fill out because we're going to make an audio report for this. So in our script we say when we rub the styrofoam plate it gets something. And then when we put the aluminum plate on the styrofoam plate and the electrons on the conductor do something. And so we go through and we fill out the whole script. We can use the script or we can use the script as a starting point, whatever you want to do for your audio report. But when you're ready to do the audio report, you're going to put a link to it right in here. So you go to Vocaroo, right here, you click on vocaroo.com, and that brings you here. And you have one big button that just says record. So you click the record button, you go to your report, and you can read it or you can just speak from it, however you want to do it, but we're making an audio right now that we can use. And then when we're done, we go back, we click the stop button, save and share, and then we copy this link. We go back into the report, go up here, paste the link, and hit return, and then turn this in, and you're all done.